is your boy Ketan Pro in another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to download videos on Vidmate, how to download YouTube videos on using a Vidmate app. What you have to do is to go to Google Chrome. After going to Google Chrome, search, tap on search and search Vidmate APK, download the latest version. And scroll down and reach to Vidmate APK down for Android. Wait, Vidmate APK for Android. Sorry, it's my phone, guys. Vidmate APK for Android, download on APK Pure. Here, I'll show you. I have to download here, guys. It's here. Have to use this. Have to open this web page. Then after, open it. That's how our app looks like, Vidmate HD video downloader and live TV. That's how it looks like. Scroll down and reach download APK. Click on it and click on download APK. But for me, I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. I just want to show you how to download it. I have already downloaded it, so you have to download it, guys. And after the download is complete, you will come to File Manager. After reaching to File Manager, here on link, open here on apps. Here on apps, here your File Manager will not look like mine, but you have to follow the words because it's named as apps on your phone. So open it. Here is our app called Vidmate, downloaded app from APK Pure, and install it. I will not install it because I have already installed it. After install it, you have to open it and our installed application is here. Open it. After open it, for you who have downloaded it as a new, it will be loading, but for me, I have already opened it. I have previously opened it, so come here to search bar. And so step by step. Then after, click here. Then after clicking there, type the video you want. I will type UG latest music 2022. 2022 and search it. Then after searching it, these are the list of the songs. Scroll and look for the song you have been searching for. I will download that one because I have searched the latest music 2022. Then I will download that one. Let me show you. I will download that one. Then what you need to do to download the song, you have to click here. Have to click on that icon, that one. Have to click on that one. Then after clicking on it, it will bring a pop-up window like that one. Select the preview you want, the HD high resolution. For me, I use 360p, which is MP4. If you want audio, scroll down, and that is the music. Then if you want to download the music, you will select your resolution or the quality here. That is for audio qualities. And if you want video, you will come and select your quality. In these qualities, the higher quality you download, the higher data it takes and space in your storage device, and download it. After selecting your quality, come here and download and click on download. After downloading it, it will pop up like that one, and wait for your download to complete. If you want to download multiple songs while this one is still downloading, click on done and come and scroll down, find another song, or go to search bar and find another song, click on it, download it again like the other one, and download it. Click on done. If you want to see your downloads, come here, you see that is our downloads. You have select here, click here, that icon, and see your downloads. Thank you guys for watching video. If you like my videos and it was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe my channel, click in the bell icon and select all to be announced on all videos I will be uploading. I'll be uploading videos on how to help you on your smartphone, computer, how to set up it, and how to make money online using a smartphone or a laptop. Thank you for watching. Meet on our next video.